Hi there, I'm Brian with 3C Communications, and I am terrifically excited because the coaching and training and workshops that I so love to do that help people become better, more persuasive, and more confident business communicators so they can build longer lasting, stronger relationships. I'm getting ready to bring to you in a whole new way for me and for 3C. Let me introduce you to our Get the Message Roundtable. It's a mastermind style experience. We're looking for 6 to 8 people to start off in a 6-month program from June through November. Once a month, we will meet as a group. We'll workshop some key skills, and we'll have opportunities to help one another get ready for key communications opportunities or challenges. Also, once a month, everybody in the group will have a one-on-one with me where you can bring something you're currently working on, and we'll work together to craft it, shape it, make it more attention-getting and more persuasive. And you will have unlimited access to me and the 3C team via email, so that when you've got a draft memo or email or PowerPoint deck, or you've done a recording of yourself rehearsing for a presentation, you get it into our hands. We'll get you some great feedback on a quick turnaround, and you will be able to achieve your objectives with each major communications opportunity you've got. Key takeaways: you're going to walk away from 6 months as a better, more confident, and more persuasive business presenter, able to run better, more effective meetings, be a better business writer, and be able to build stronger, longer lasting relationships because of the way you keep your audience in mind each time you prepare a major communications. We're going to have great pricing for this first cohort because I expect to learn as much from you as you will from me, and I'm setting this up for the long run. For more information, get in touch with me at Brian with a Y at 3ccoms.com. Brian at 3ccoms.com. I'll be happy to answer your questions, tell you more about the program, talk to you about our pricing and when we're going to get started. And if this isn't right for you, maybe it's right for a friend. I'd appreciate if you'd pass this along. Thanks.